Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your finances and create a future of financial freedom. Today, we're kicking off a brand new series on passive income, the secret sauce to unlocking your dreams. So, grab a pen and paper, because you're about to learn some mind-blowing strategies that have the potential to change your life. Picture this: waking up to money flowing into your bank account, even while you sleep. No more trading time for money. No more mundane 9 to 5 routine. Welcome to the world of passive income, where your money works for you, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest. Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey? Let's dive right in. Introduction to passive income. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's money that you earn with minimal effort or time investment once the initial work is done. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income continues to flow, whether you're working, vacationing, or just chilling on the couch. It's the ultimate way to achieve financial freedom and take control of your destiny. Example 1. Dividend investing. Now, let's explore our first example of passive income, dividend investing. Imagine owning a slice of some of the world's most successful companies, and they pay you a portion of their profits regularly. That's dividends. It's like being a silent partner in their success. The best part? You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, snowballing your wealth over time. Talk about a money-making machine. Just imagine, every time those dividend payments hit your account, you're one step closer to achieving financial independence. Example 2. Rental real estate. If you're more into tangible investments, then rental real estate might be your golden ticket to passive income. Owning and renting out properties can generate a steady stream of rental income, putting your money to work in the property market. Plus, you get the added bonus of potential property appreciation, increasing your net worth. It's like building your mini real estate empire. Imagine having multiple rental properties that pay for themselves and create wealth for you in the long run. Example 3. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's dive into the digital age sensation, affiliate marketing. Picture this: you promote products or services you genuinely love, and when someone buys through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win for both you and your audience. The key here is building trust with your community, recommending products that add value to their lives, and boom. Passive income flows effortlessly. Just imagine, you create content that helps people while making money every time they make a purchase through your links. But wait, it's not just about the money. It's about the impact you can create. Meet John, a dividend investor who retired early and travels the world while earning dividends. There's Sarah, who turned her passion for cooking into an online course, helping thousands of aspiring chefs while earning a steady stream of passive income. They did it, and so can you. These inspiring individuals followed their passion, leveraged passive income strategies, and transformed their lives. Key tips to get started. Now that you're excited about passive income, here are some key tips to get you started on the right foot. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is the foundation of success in any endeavor, and passive income is no exception. Take the time to research and learn about different passive income streams. Understand how each method works, the potential risks involved, and the potential rewards you can expect. Educating yourself will help you make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and maximize your passive income potential. Few examples: read books and articles on passive income strategies and successful investors. Follow reputable finance and investment blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels. Take online courses or attend seminars on passive income and related topics. 2. Set clear goals. Before diving into passive income ventures, take a moment to define your financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with passive income and how much you need to earn to reach those goals. Having clear objectives will serve as a roadmap, keeping you motivated and focused on your financial journey. Few examples. Calculate your monthly expenses and desired level of financial independence. Set a specific target for the amount of passive income you want to generate each month. Establish a timeline for achieving your passive income goals. 3. Take action. Knowledge alone won't bring in passive income, you must put your knowledge into action. Start with small, manageable steps and gradually build your passive income empire. Taking action is crucial, as it allows you to learn from real-life experiences, adapt to challenges, and refine your strategies. Few examples. If you're interested in dividend investing, open a brokerage account and make your first dividend stock purchase. For affiliate marketing, join reputable affiliate programs and create content around products you genuinely believe in. Begin researching potential rental properties and learn about the real estate market in your area. 4. Embrace patience. Building a sustainable passive income stream takes time and dedication. Don't expect instant results. Instead, embrace patience and stay consistent in your efforts. Stay committed, keep learning, and watch your income grow steadily over time. Few examples. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term results. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Be prepared for some trial and error. Not every passive income venture will be an immediate success. Stay motivated by celebrating small milestones along the way, even if your income starts small. Congratulations! You've just completed the first episode of our passive income series. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, and you've taken it today. Don't forget to hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting episodes on passive income strategies. Until next time, remember, you have the power to create your own destiny. Keep dreaming big and stay financially savvy.